Okay, so today will be quite an adventure. It will be a whole day trip, and basically what I'm doing is I'm setting up Christmas tree. It's actually 5 foot and it's folded using 340 pieces of paper. And the place will be at Pavilion KL, but the setup is at 10 p.m. and we can't start earlier because that's the rule of the shopping mall. But right now I'm at Penang and I'll be traveling down to KL and have a walk around, and let's see. And the tree is here already, this one, and we'll see the final product. Let's get on the road. This is the next day. The tree set up here is still standing and it will be displayed here until 31st December 2023. And I would like to specially thank Kenneth and Cherry from the Malaysia Origami Academy for the help during the setup. Thanks to the Malaysia Origami Academy for the opportunity to display my Kusudama Christmas tree.